3, 2, 1.
Every time we flip a switch, we tap into one of the greatest marvels of the modern world. A vast, intricate network that powers our homes, our cities, and our lives. But have you ever stopped to think about how that power travels to us? It journeys across hundreds, sometimes thousands of miles, through colossal arteries of steel and aluminum, the high-voltage transmission lines. This is the story of how these giants are born and maintained, a symphony of incredible engineering and human courage. From the deepest valleys to the highest mountain peaks, building this grid is a monumental challenge. In terrains where traditional methods are impossible, modern technology lends a hand. Drones, like this one, become the pioneers, carrying the first crucial pilot ropes across impassable gorges. This single act kickstarts a massive construction process, allowing for the erection of towers that pierce the clouds, standing as silent sentinels over breathtaking landscapes. These structures are engineered to withstand the harshest elements, from gale-force winds to the crushing weight of ice. Each tower is a testament to precision and strength, a vital link in a chain that stretches across entire continents. But the technology and the steel are only half the story. The true heart of this operation lies with the people. Meet the unsung heroes of our electrical grid, the linemen. Working at dizzying heights, they are the surgeons of this steel skeleton. Their office is the sky, their floor a narrow steel beam. Every movement is calculated, every action precise. It's a job that demands immense skill, physical endurance, and a complete absence of fear. From the first light of dawn to the fading glow of sunset, they work tirelessly. It's a dangerous, demanding profession, but their dedication ensures that the power never stops flowing. They are the guardians of the grid, connecting us all in a web of light and energy. Let's take a closer look at the marvels they work with. These long chains are not just for support, they are massive insulator strings, each disc designed to contain unimaginable voltages, preventing the raw power from grounding out on the steel tower. The cables themselves are often bundled together, a technique used to increase the amount of power they can carry and reduce energy loss over long distances. The process of stringing these heavy conductors is a delicate dance of physics and coordination. Pulleys, or travelers, are meticulously installed on each tower. The massive cables are then carefully pulled through them, sometimes for miles at a time. It's a process that requires immense power on the ground and pinpoint precision in the air. Once the cables are in place, the team performs the final, crucial steps. They are secured with powerful clamps, and the tension is adjusted to perfection, giving the line its characteristic catenary curve. Every bolt is tightened, every connection checked, ensuring the line will serve for decades to come. So, the next time you see these steel giants marching across the horizon, take a moment to appreciate the incredible fusion of technology, engineering, and sheer human bravery that they represent. They are the silent, steadfast backbone of our modern civilization. Thank you for watching. If you were amazed by this incredible feat of engineering, please like, share, and subscribe for more stories from the world of modern marvels.